Write 5 game names which are played in India.
खो-खो, गुल्ली-डंडा, कबड्डी, शतरंज, स्टेपो, काइट फ्लाई.
Answer the following questions. How many days are there in a leap year?
366.
How many make a dozen?
12.
How many hours are there in a day?
24.
How many Pandavas were there in
5.
the Mahabharata?
5.
How many runs make a century in cricket?
100.
Huh?
100.
100?
Yes.
How many days does the month of February have
28.
usually?
28.
20?
8.
How many days in a week?
7.
How many bones are there in an adult human being?
206.
How many arms does an octopus have?
8.
How many minutes are there in an hour?
60.
60 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Next. Which class you are studying?
Sir, third.
Third.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Shaurya Kasana.
Huh?
Shaurya Kasana.
Okay. Right or wrong? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the extreme right hand side of the road.
Right.
Never cross a road at a curve, as the motorist taking the turn will not be able to see you in time.
Right.
If a car is still for a way, run across the road without looking.
Wrong.
Okay, go.